Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about major importance is new construction after closing, home maintenance, what you need to know as a buyer. I have lots of buyers that have closed on new construction homes and they always want to know what to do now. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about home maintenance after new construction, what's important for you to know. So let's go ahead and dive in. First thing first, when you get your keys, what do you need to do as a home buyer? Well, the first thing you need to do is wait until you get funded. Once you get funded and say you're good to go pick up your keys from the sales rep office and then go and enjoy your home. That's it, right? No! What you want to do next, once you pick up the keys, is make sure you go to your post office, get your post office keys. They will need a documentation of proof of your contract showing that you are the owner of the new property. Make sure you transfer all the utilities under your name from the builder within that first week for sure. And then don't forget the warranties, guys, the appliance warranties. A lot of people forget about that. So make sure you transfer all the appliance warranties that are already given to you in your name so you have the documentations. And make sure that important folder that you got during your closing, you are saving that somewhere special, or you have an email, but save that folder because it's got lots of information on your home maintenance for your specific home by the builder, because every single builder has different warranties. So depending on who your builder is, save that folder because I'm pretty sure you're going to forget about it. And that survey that you got during your title, keep that in the folder and save it, because when you have to resell your home, that survey is going to save you a few hundreds of dollars. So important things for you right off when you close. Now let's talk about home maintenance after closing on a new construction home in Austin, Texas, or anywhere probably. You just closed on your brand new construction home. Everything looks perfect, clean, and move-in ready. But here's something most buyers don't realize. The first year of owning a new construction home is the most important. If you don't maintain it properly, small issues can turn into expensive problems. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do after closing to protect your home here in Austin, Texas. Your home will settle. What does that mean? One of the biggest surprises of new construction is that your home is going to settle. This is completely normal. In the first few months, you may notice small drywall cracks, nail pops, door sticking, slight gaps in trim. This happens because the home is adjusting to temperature, humidity, and soil movement. What should you do? Start a running punch list in your phone or notebook. Don't ignore these. Document them so you can submit everything during your builder warranty period. Now, foundation care. Very important in Austin. This is one of the most important things in Texas. Your foundation depends on moisture levels in the soil. Austin has clay soil, which means it expands when it wets and shrinks when dry. If you don't keep moisture consistent, you could see foundation movement, cracks in wall, uneven floors. What to do at that point? Run your irrigation system consistently, water the parameters during dry months, avoid letting the soil completely dry out. Think of it like this: your foundation needs balance, not extremes. Now let's talk about your HVAC and air quality. Austin has heat, dust, and allergies. So your HVAC system works hard. One of the easiest things you can do is change your air filters regularly, every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Why this matters? Improves air quality, keeps your system efficient, prevents long-term damage. Also, schedule an HVAC tune-up once a year. Check airflow in all rooms. This small habit can extend the life of your system. Now let's talk about plumbing checks. In the first few months, keep an eye on your plumbing. Even new homes can have small issues. Check under sinks, around toilets, water heater connections. Look for leaks, moisture, unusual smells. Also test water pressure, drainage speed, Catching a small leak early can save you thousands in damage. Another important thing is about plumbing. Even though if you have a new construction, I know sometimes you might not have to worry about it, but guess what? I did talk to a plumber recently, and they suggested once you are moved in to get it checked within that first year, because if anything comes up, you can give it to your home warranty, have them fixed if there's any kind of blockage, right? Because the movement of the house, the soil, and all of that. And not only that, they did recommend to do a wash. There's a liquid that does a wash every maybe 4 to 5 years during your home stay wise. That way clean the system and then the flow is smoothly and there's no blockage. Because if there is a blockage, guys, I've seen maybe thousands to $10,000 of a cost to the buyer if they found a blockage. So even in the new construction, but resale also important to make sure you get your sewer scope regularly checked at least every few years to make sure it's running smoothly and there is no blockage, because you might not even notice it, or if you do notice it, it might be too late. Now let's talk about sealing energy efficient. As your home settles, gaps can appear around windows, doors, baseboards. And why this matters? Air leaks increases your energy bill. Moisture can get in, bugs can enter. What can you do? Check caulking every few months. Reseal where needed. This keeps your home efficient and protected. Now let's talk about landscaping and drainage. New landscaping needs attention, especially in Texas heat, guys. Water consistently. Check sprinkler coverage. Watch for dry patches. Also, very important, check drainage around your home. Water should flow away from the foundation, not towards it. Poor drainage can lead to foundation issues, erosions, long-term damage. Now let's talk about use your builder warranty. This is where a lot of homeowners make a mistake. They forget to use their warranty. Most builders offer 1-year workmanship, 2-year system, 10-year structural. What you should do? What I tell all my buyers after they close is make sure you put it on your calendar, a reminder, a 30-day reminder, because you have 30 days once you move into the home to pinpoint everything that you are doing in the home, or anything that you might find that's not appropriate in the house or not functioning properly in the house. You can put it in the home warranty tab. And to do your 1-year inspection, probably at the 10-month or an 11-month, and put that in the calendar, because you will forget it and it might be too late to get that done and give that whole report to the builder to fix everything that's on there. So make sure you put it on your calendar, the important dates. Now let's talk about systems, smart home setups. If your home includes smart features, change all passwords. Set up automation, test devices. Also check breakers, label your panel, make sure everything is fully functioning early on. Now let's talk about staying organized. This is so important. Treat your home like an investment. Create a simple system. Save warranties, save and keep receipts, track maintenance, take photos of issues. This helps with warranty claims, future resales, staying on top of repairs. Now let's talk about long-term mindset. A new home doesn't stay new forever, but if you maintain it properly, you can protect your value, avoid major repairs, keep your home in top condition. It's all about consistency. If you just bought a new construction home in Austin, these steps will help you protect one of the biggest investment. If you want my full maintenance checklist, comment checklist below and I'll send it to you. There you have it, the home maintenance that you have to do, especially after you close on a new construction home. I hope you found some of the value from this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button. It is free to get you guys free value on real estate. I just want to say thank you for watching and I will see you next time.